Every business needs a website, but hiring a professional web designer, that can cost anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000. What if you could skip all of that and design a professional website for your business today using nothing but a text prompt? That's exactly what Google Stitch makes possible. And in this video, I'm going to show you how, using 3 completely different types of businesses. So no matter what you do, you'll see exactly how this works for you. No coding, no design experience, and no big budget. Just your business idea and Google Stitch. So what exactly is Google Stitch? Let me explain it in plain language, no tech jargon, just the part that matters for your business. Google Stitch is an AI-powered design tool from Google that generates professional website and app interface designs from a text description. You tell it what your business is, what your website needs to do, and what kind of look and feel you want, and Stitch builds a complete professional-looking design for you, instantly. Think of it like having a web designer sitting next to you. Except instead of waiting days and paying thousands, you get a result in seconds. And if you don't like it, you just type another instruction and it adjusts. It's that simple. Stitch is designed for people who are not designers and not developers. It's built for business owners, entrepreneurs, and creators who have a vision for their brand but don't have the technical skills or the budget to bring it to life traditionally. Alright, let's get inside Google Stitch. Head over to stitch.withgoogle.com and sign in with your Google account. That's all you need to get started. No downloads, no installations, nothing extra. Once you're in, you'll see a clean, simple workspace. On one side, your prompt input. That's where you describe what you want. On the other side, the canvas where your design appears. And at the top, options to refine, iterate, and export your design. The most important thing to understand as a beginner is this. Everything in Google Stitch starts with a prompt. A prompt is just a description, written in plain, everyday language, of what you want your website to look like and what it needs to do. If you can describe your business out loud, you can use Google Stitch. Now let's start building. 3 businesses, 3 websites. Our first demo is Crystal Prompter, a professional teleprompter brand. They sell high-quality teleprompter equipment for content creators, presenters, and broadcasters. Their website needs to look premium, tech-forward, and trustworthy. Here's the prompt I'm going to use. I want to be specific enough that Stitch understands the brand and the purpose, but I don't need to overthink it. Natural language works perfectly. And look at that, a complete product landing page. Hero section, features, product showcase, call to action, all from one prompt. That is a professional website layout that a real brand could use today. Look at the structure, the hierarchy, the way it guides the visitor's eye down the page. That's intentional design, and AI built it in seconds. Now let's say we want to refine it slightly. Maybe we want to add a testimonial section and make the hero headline bigger and bolder. Watch how easy it is to iterate. Updated. No redesigning from scratch. No going back and forth with a designer over email. Just type what you want, and Stitch adjusts. That is the speed advantage of AI design. Now let's completely switch gears. Same tool, totally different business. Our second demo is a local cafe, warm, cozy, community-focused, a place people love to visit, and their website needs to feel exactly like that. Notice how different this prompt is going to feel compared to the Crystal Prompter one. Same structure, describe the business, the purpose, the look and feel, but the personality is completely different. Completely different feel, warm colors, soft layouts, a completely different personality from Crystal Prompter. and yet the same tool, the same process. This is what makes Google Stitch powerful for any business type. It doesn't have one default look. It adapts to whatever you describe. Now let's customize the morning jar a little further. Every cafe website needs a proper menu section. Let's make sure that's prominent, and let's add a section where customers can find them on the map. Now we have a full cafe website. Menu categories, location, contact, reservation, about us. Everything a customer would look for when they find this cafe online. And it took us minutes, not weeks. A website like this is the difference between a customer choosing you or choosing your competitor. And now you can build it yourself. Our third and final demo is for the freelancers, the consultants, the coaches, the creatives, anyone building a personal brand. If you're selling your skills and your expertise, your website is your most important marketing tool. Let's build one. For a personal brand portfolio, the website needs to do 3 things. Show who you are, show what you do, and make it easy for potential clients to reach you. Let's put all of that into the prompt. Clean, bold, and professional. Everything a potential client needs to see. Who Alex is, what they do, proof of their work, what others say about them, and a clear way to get in touch. That is a complete personal brand website. Now here's something important for personal brand websites. The About section needs to feel personal, not generic. Let's refine it with a more specific instruction. More personal, more specific, more credible. The headshot placeholder tells a developer or a Wix builder exactly where the photo goes. The client list adds social proof. Every detail matters on a personal brand website, and Stitch lets you add those details instantly with a follow-up prompt. Whether you're a photographer, a social media manager, a business coach, or a graphic designer. This is your website, and you just built the design in under 5 minutes. Alright, let's zoom out and look at what we just built. 3 businesses, 3 professional website designs, all created in Google Stitch from text prompts alone. A product brand landing page, a local cafe website, a freelance portfolio. 3 completely different businesses, same tool, same process. That's the power of Google Stitch. Now, how do you actually use these designs? Let me walk you through your options quickly. Option 1. Export your design and hand it off to a developer. Your Stitch design gives them a clear, professional blueprint to build from. No more vague briefs, no miscommunication. They see exactly what you want. Option 2. Use the design as a reference to build it yourself on a website builder like Wix, Webflow, Squarespace, or WordPress. Look at your Stitch design on one screen and replicate the layout, colors, and sections on your chosen platform. It's like having a detailed blueprint to follow. Option 3. If Google Stitch supports direct export or code output for your design, you can take that output and work with it directly. Check the latest Stitch features for what's available. Google is updating this tool regularly. Whatever route you take, the hardest part is done. You have a professional design, and that's Google Stitch. The fastest way for any business owner to go from no website to a professional website design without hiring a designer and without any technical skills. We saw it work for a product brand, we saw it work for a local food business, and we saw it work for a personal brand and freelancer. Three completely different businesses, one tool, all producing professional, real-world ready designs. Here's your action step right now. Go to stitch.withgoogle.com, sign in with your Google account, and type one prompt describing your business. See what Stitch generates. You might be surprised how close it gets on the very first try, and how quickly you can refine it into something you're genuinely proud of. If this video helped you see what's possible for your business with AI, subscribe to ACMC AI Academy. Every week we break down the latest AI tools in a way that's practical, beginner-friendly, and built for real people running real businesses. What kind of website are you going to build first? I want to know. See you in the next one.